Hi, this is Anant, and in this video, I'm going to tell you about how you can use Google Sheets in your day-to-day life. Like, for example, if you want to create a sheet where you want to track your monthly expenses, like monthly fuel cost, monthly repair cost, and how much amount you have spent on buying milk in a certain month, then you can do all those things in a Google Sheet. And I am going to tell you all about Google Sheet in a very first principle method, and why we do what we do. And this course is from right from scratch, and there will be many more videos in this course, and where we will be doubling down on each and every aspect that we will learn about Google Sheets. So let's get to it in this first video. So you need to type sheets.new in your address bar, and it will open a brand new sheet for you. And in this sheet we will type my personal budget, and then we will add headers. Headers are type of segregated columns where you will be putting your type of data. Let's say you have item type, you have category, and you have plant cost, you have actual cost, and then you will have differences. Item could be something like milk expenses, or monthly fuel charges. Sorry, my spellings are bad. Fuel, and let's say rent, let's say repair, or something like Udemy course you have purchased for learning photography, or something like yeah, I think this will be it. Now this you will be putting the categories. So milk will be in the category of grocery, fuel would be in the category of fuel would be in the category of navigation, rent will be monthly expenses, like rent will be rent, repair will be rent, let's say it's a part of rent. Udemy would be upskilling. Now the cost of milk, you decided that it should be somewhere around 12,000 rupees, and fuel you decided that it should be somewhere around 10,000 rupees, and rent should be decided to be 22,000 rupees. Sorry, it went way beyond. And repair would be a cost you around 2,000 rupees. Upskilling would be around let's say 1,000 rupees. So this is your planned monthly expenses would become this. And if you total the plant thing, then you will use formula like sum C2, this is cell number 2, C6, which is the last cell number, and bracket 1. Let's put the actual cost. The actual cost of grocery of milk expenses went up to 14,000 rupees. Fuel went up to 11,000 rupees. Rent remained the same. Repair cost went up to 2,500 rupees because someday a lift has stopped working or some other thing has happened. So you do not know when the repair cost would go up. Upskilling has remained let's say 499 rupees. And now your actual expenditure has went up to 49,900 rupees. Let's say where we have spent more than we planned. It will be C2 minus D2 minus C2, meaning the actual cost minus the planned cost. Google Sheet always gives you this autofill option, so you can say yes, and now it has provided that on a certain month you have spent 2099 rupees extra, and it has also provided you in which head you have spent less money and in which head you have spent more money, and the maximum money you have spent on maximum additional money you have spent on that the cost is that header is milk. So you have spent 2000 more money on buying milk in a certain month. So this sheet can be populated. This sheet can be longer as per your expenditure, and you can use daily expenditure as well. I can populate this sheet a little bit left column side, then I'll add the date here, and let's say you have mentioned the date as 29 July, and now you can add 29 July for plant cost, let's say 1200 rupees or 120 rupees, and it will add up to in the entire month. I hope this video would help you create a sheet for your own, and if not, then you can ask me how to do it. Before you go, I can add one more thing. I can turn this number, and you can also turn these numbers into your currency, because these are numbers right now, but these can be turned into currency. See, now you can see that there is a sign of rupee before each number, like we see in dollars. So yeah, that's about it in this video. I hope you liked it, and if you have, then please share and subscribe. Thank you so much.